We're gonna start some veggie seeds, but before we do that, we gotta wash out these pots and trays because they are dirty. After my trays have been in storage for many months, they have developed different little spiders' nests and are just filthy. It's good before you starting new plants for the season is just to kind of rinse out any of your supplies that you have, because like I am keeping this in my house for the next, I don't know, 6 to 8 weeks. I don't really want this dirt and nastiness getting all over my house as I'm working on my plants. So I'm just gonna take this and rinse these out. I'm not like doing any kind of special cleaning. It's just a nice, easy rinse to get all the dirt and debris off of my seed starting supplies. See how dirty these all get. Like, and it's not even the inside I'm worried about, but like even the outside just has all this nastiness on it. Ideally, this chore would be done in the fall or after these pots were used, probably midsummer. But I enjoy that. I used them, planted, put it away. So now I'm cleaning up last year's mess. Just about 10 minutes worth of work, and I've got all these beautiful clean pots and trays ready to go. And look at how dirty that water is. I can't even see the bottom. It's so dirty. I gotta clean this all out now. Make sure to come back to check out how to set up your seed starting plant grow station. And let's get all these pots dirty again and start some spring seedlings. I'm going to be doing things for early spring garden like kale, lettuce, chard, broccoli, kohlrabi, so all of the plants that can handle cold weather. And I'll probably get my peppers and eggplants going now too, since those take a lot longer to get started. Don't forget to like and follow for more home garden tips.